Before I start this video, I want to give a shout out to Chips Comedy. I just subscribed to his channel. He has a lot of cool content and him funny bad. Make me not watch none of him video them. I'ma don't laugh. So go over his YouTube channel and check him out. The young guy is doing his thing and thing rate that. When I no go over there, make him know say they can boost and you know. Today's post notification shout out goes to Monays_art_fits. So you guys can go and check her YouTube out and see what she got coming. Go over to Gamer Kareem channel as well and subscribe. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today I would be just telling you the time I quit my job. Okay, so this job was the first job I've ever gotten in my life. Alright, so a little background about me. I went to school, grade up Portmore High. Then I moved to Montego Bay and I started school there at Spot Valley High. I graduated and then I was seeking for a job after. Now, at the time I had written my resume and my application letter and I applied for a clothing store, ILO, and I think the post office, yeah. So I got through to the clothing store. The same day I went and applied. They say, you know what, come the next day, come with your TRN and your ID and so forth and everything. So guys, I say, okay, I got a job, I'm good at everything. So now I did it and I come the day and let me just tell you guys, as some Indian who run the store, right? And them as my go, them take my phone and them say me for start like try serve the customer them and try fold up the clothes them and everything. So I'm saying okay fine. I was always a shy person, so serving the customer them, that wasn't my biggest advantage because I didn't like to speak and so forth. So I realized that the man name's turn and them just a watch and things. So them say them they have a look with something them have commission, right? But only on a Tuesday you get a commission. So after you make a sale you take a receipt and then you go back to them and give them it and then you get a little some change. Yeah, some of the damn thing and me I work there. I work there good the day and thing. Me I serve customer everything. It was fun at first and thing. I go upstairs and I look on the shoes and with them I sell upstairs and so forth, but I don't say me I work and everything. So when a customer comes in the store, me have to say, you know, miss, this would have fit you and this nice and everything and I have your size, me have to go upstairs for the size and come back down. So now me look girl don't know about nothing. So when I'm buying lunch and everything, I always buy burger and tasties and all that. I think because I'm in a town and I know say food about and me I buy. Yeah, so when I look me I'll spend $6 a week. So oh guys, I only 1 week work there for. Yeah, so every day me I spend $1,000 per lunch, right? Yeah, you know say me nice and everything. So when me nice to one thing, not only did I had a bad experience there, like the girls, like two of the girls them where they did it, them a lesbian. And you know them they kinda energy around me. Now I'm gonna make it. Yeah, so anyways, somebody did it and me come I think at Tuesday, either Tuesday or Monday I get the job and think come Wednesday now me I say, hold on there. Cause me I work from 9 o'clock in the morning to 9 o'clock in the night. Me I say, but wait, them not pay me for overtime, and the regular working hours is 8 to 5 or 9 to 5 or 9 to 6, and that is 8 hours subtract the lunch. So I'm saying, you know what? I gotta talk to the boss. So I got like the Friday I think I went over there and I said, our yeah, the Friday or Saturday. I think I want Saturday. I go over there and I said, um, you know, are you guys paying me for overtime with my brawling self? And then I said, you guys get commission, and I said, I said, but we're working from 9 to 9 in the night, literally, and work regular working hours is, I'm gonna tell him everything, and he's like, yeah, but we don't do that type of stuff. So I'm gonna say, I'm gonna get my paycheck now. It was how again? What's the almost 6 grand or 6 grand? I'm gonna say, oh wait, so me I spend 6 grand a week and I get paid 6 grand a week.
And I oh
I said no, that not gonna work. That not going to work. So guess what me do now? Me say, you know what? I quit. So I took my phone and I took up my bag and everything and I left. So then I got the job at post office. Look after, come months after, comedy apply for post office and thing. I got the interview. The interview was in at Senton, and I was living in St. James. So my grandpa bring me and everything. So I get through and everything. I do my interview and everything. And I get through. And right now I'm working there. So I am telling you guys this story to tell you that you don't settle for less. Never settle for less. And anyhow you're put in a situation where you have to settle for something that you don't really want, but if it can help you in the end, then I will tell you to go ahead and do it. But never ever settle for less, because you can do better than what you are put in. What situation you are put in, you can do better, you can rise higher, and whatever you want to do, that's what you should do. Right? Take on many challenges. Everything now come easy, right? Obstacles are gonna be in the way, and you just gotta know how to handle all of them. So whatever you plan on doing this year, you go ahead, you write them down and make sure say you at least complete 2 of them, because if you complete 2 of them, I tell you, you're on your way to success. So guys, for my New Year's resolution, I want to be successful. I'm not place down and say I want a car, I want a house, I want a this, I want a that, because I know say sometimes we might want things or we know say we can't have at the moment. But what you need to do is pick out the things that you can accomplish this year and try your best to do them. And guys, you know that after I quit the job, the girls here are telling me that I should have quit and everything, I should have just roll out and see how it go. Money wise, I should have wait for my commission and everything.
you serious?
I'm gonna say no, no, because I knew my worth. I knew what I wanted, and I am not going to settle for less. So those girls, maybe them have children too. Some of them they have children. So I don't understand how they manage to settle for that. You get me? So, but some people don't know them worth, right? Yeah, so thank you for watching my video. I wish you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn the post notification bell on, and see you in the next video. Bye.